Hello amazing viewers, welcome back to the Fluent Chat with Arijack. This is the 9th episode on my YouTube channel and this is my 9th video, and I heartily welcome to each and every one of you, just as usual. And today I just want to tell you, if you are just struggling with the hesitation, fear and the pressure to speak English, then don't worry, you are not alone. Okay, today I'm just going to share my personal journey and just give you the real tips that has really helped me, and I really hope that these same tips will also just help you. So stay with me till the end of this video. You are just going to witness some of the very incredible things. So very first thing, let me be very honest. I was not born fluent, you know that. Even you were also not born as fluent in English, right? I made a lot of mistakes. Okay, I felt so many times nervous. I even just avoided the conversation just because I thought I would be judged. But you know what? Fluency is not just about the perfection. It is about the courage that you need to have. I started speaking with the people online. Sometimes they loved, sometimes they helped. I copied the accents, repeated the phrases, and watched some YouTube videos and some of the web series, which was English web series, yeah. And I even just spoke to myself in front of the camera, in front of the mirror. Slowly I improved, and you can too. What changed everything for me was this simple idea. The idea which is now I am just going to share with you. How did I learn this language? What was the motive behind it? And how couldn't I stop myself from speaking English? The moment I stopped caring about making mistakes, I started growing very faster. Like, instead of thinking on what you should do, you should rather go on doing the things. Now let me just give you 5 powerful tips that you can start using right now. So the very first thing that I really want to say to you, that even if it's just for 2 minutes, you record yourself. Don't translate, think in English as much as it's possible, and repeat what you hear. Pick the lines from the movies, from any series, from any songs or any YouTube videos that you are watching. Okay, enable the subtitles on the video and write them. In my previous video, that's what I had already told, that I used to do that, and I strongly recommend and insist you that you should also go for doing things like that. Okay, and the thing, forget about the fear. Mistakes are proof that you are improving. You never ever stop learning because you're thinking that you are making a lot of more mistakes. No, mistakes are only the proof that you are learning. Okay, and do you know what is the bonus tip here? Smile while you just speak. It changes your tone and the confidence. And at the end, my dear brothers and sisters, if a guy from a small interior village like me can do this, you can also do this. Don't let fear stop you. Don't wait for the perfect day. Start today and speak today. Even if it's just for a broken English also, or even it is just messy, you have to keep on speaking. You are not alone, my brothers, on this journey. I am right here with you, sharing, learning and growing together. So at the end, what I can say, if you felt this video connected with you, then don't forget to just like, subscribe to the Fluent Chat with Arijack. If you are ready to grow your fluency starting now, write in the comment below that I will speak. So see you in the next video. Until then, keep it real, keep it bold and keep speaking. This is your boy Arijack signing off with love and power. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.